This dance is called Red Hot Salsa. It's a 64 count beginner stroke intermediate level line dance. Starting on our right foot, going to bounce the right heel 4 times. Bounce, 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 bounce. Repeat with the left. Bounce, 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 bounce. Nice and easy so far. Bump your hips to the left, to the left, to the right, to the right, left, right, left, right. So it's 2 to the left, 2 to the right, and then another 4 alternating sides. So let's just do those 2 sections again. Heel bounces off on the right. 7, 8. Bounce, 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 bounce with the left, bounce, 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 bounce. Bump left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Rocking chair, right foot leading. So you rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left, rock back on the left, right, recover your weight on the left, and do it again. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. 2 rocking chairs. So just do those rocking chairs once more. Up on that right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, rocking chair. So my left foot is not moving. Let's add that to the top. Heel bounces off on the right. 7, 8. Bounce, 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 left, bounce, 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 bounce. Bump left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Rocking chair, rocking chair. Vine to the right. So we step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Big step back to the left, drag that right towards the left over 2 counts of music. As you touch the right beside the left, you can also clap. So that set of steps once more then. Vine into the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, touch, side, drag, touch and clap. So our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Bounces on the right. 7, 8. Bounce, 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 left, bounce, 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 bounce. Bump left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Rocking chair, side, behind, side, touch, side, slide, touch and clap. Kick or change. So we're into 1 and 2 count timing steps for these. So you're going to kick the right, put the weight on the right beside the left, change the weight immediately back onto that left foot. And repeat. Kick, ball, change. Into some toe switches. So you're going to touch the toe out to the right, bring your feet back together, touch the left out to the side, bring your feet back together, touch the right to the side. Toe and toe and toe. Clap at the end of that. So that section once more then. Kick, ball, change, off on the right. 7, 8. Kick, ball, change, toe and toe and toe, clap. So we do that section twice. Into some heel toe switches. So you're going to touch your right heel forward, touch the right beside the left. Touch your right heel forward, touch the right beside the left. Now out to the side with the toe touches, touch the toe to the right side, touch it beside the left, out to the right side, touch it beside the left. So that little section once more then. Heel toe switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and toe and toe and. Let's add that to our 2 kickball changes. Off on the right. 7, 8. Kickball change, toe and toe, clap. Kickball change, toe and toe, clap. Heel and toe and heel switches again now. So we touch the right heel forward once more, touch the right beside the left, touch the heel forward, touch the right beside the left. Point the right out to the side, cross the right over the left. You're now going to unwind yourself half a turn to the left and clap. That ends the dance. So that section once more then. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and point, cross, unwind, clap. Let's put that onto our kicks. Kickball changes off on the right. 7, 8. Kickball change, toe and toe, clap. Kickball change, toe and toe, clap. Heel and toe and heel and point, cross, unwind, clap. So that's our 2 halves. Let's put them together. Heel bounce off on the right. 7, 8. Bounce, left bounce, but left, right, left. Rocking chair. Side behind, side touch, side drag, touch and clap. Kickball change, toe and toe, clap. Kickball change, toe and toe, clap. Heel and toe and heel and point, cross, unwind, clap. Now this dance does have a lot of repetitive work on your legs. If you dance it too often, your legs will start to ache. If you do find that you're struggling with, especially in those last couple of sections, all the work being done on the one leg, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So when you get to your heel-toe switches, your heel and your toe, what you can actually do is alternate the legs. So you do your right heel touch, feet together, left heel touch, feet together, right toe out, feet together, left toe out, feet together, right heel, feet together, left heel, feet together, point, cross, unwind, which will take a little bit of the pressure off the one leg. So try it, see how you get on, but that is an alternative set of steps if you wish to try and even the workload on the legs a little bit. So that is your dance. What I am going to do though is just go through it with the counts so you can see where those and counts come in on the dance. Heel bounces off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you can see that timing in there. So that's your dance, but it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going Well, we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Heel bounces off on the right. 7, 8. Bounce, 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 left, bounce, 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 front, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Rocking chair, rocking chair. Side behind, side touch, side drag, touch. Kickball change, toe and toe and toe. Kickball change, toe and toe and toe. Heel and toe and toe and heel and point across and wind. Bounce, 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 left, bounce, 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 back, but left, left, right, right, left, right. Rocking chair. Side behind, side touch, side drag, touch. Kickball change, toe and toe and toe. Kickball change, toe and toe and toe. Heel and toe and toe, heel and point across and wind. So that's your dance and your walk through. Now the beauty to this music is the artist actually, as part of the song, sings some of the steps that you'll be doing. So there's little hints. In fact, it's not even little. They're really big hints throughout the music as to what the steps are going to be. So that said, let's give it a go.
finish that one.